Welcome to the Modern Farmhouse. Envision yourself living in this open concept. So who wouldn't want this office with that custom arch window? Here's the bedroom with a reading nook. Tons of natural lighting. Your own entertainment area or a mother-in-law unit. Master bedroom with their own custom his and her rain shower. Hi everyone, this is Mylin with Remax All City, and I want to present you a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful modern farmhouse with a flair of mid-modern century. And so we are listing this home very soon this week, and the address is 12609 Southeast 60th Street in Bellevue. Yes, Bellevue! It's right in the middle of, it has a Bellevue School District, so you know we all love that. And come inside and let me show you the gorgeous, gorgeous custom home. Alright, as you're walking through, look at this baby! Your custom wood doors. I love, 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 love wood, and it just gave the whole house such a warm feeling just to walk through these doors. And you have to see this. Isn't it so nice? There are so many details of this home and so many things I want to talk about this home, but let's first off check out this entry foyer. Oh my gosh, the high ceilings are absolutely amazing. But first off, I want to thank you, all the people who made this home happen. Central Island Landscaping and Construction, thank you so much for building this home. Atil Design and OLIMY Home and Interiors for collaborating with one another to make the gorgeous custom home. The designs, the interior, the finish, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And let's go into the details of the home. This home is 3,750 square feet on a 8,400 square feet lot. You got the front yard, you got the backyard. Super sufficient. There's so much room for everyone. And so let's check it out. Okay, so first off, let's talk about all the custom things in this house, okay? So, what house needs, actually, you know what? Every house needs this. And guess what this is? What is this? Well, you know what? This is a custom shoe cabinet. Every home needs a custom shoe cabinet, correct? Yes. And so we made it happen. Isn't that amazing? And yes, it is. So let's go upstairs and let's see all the other items. You got your custom stairway, stair rail, and also look at this. Look at this board and batten. Accent wall. To die for! Okay, and the open concept that everyone loves. This is an area that family, friends, everyone can hang out and just be cozy in one area. You can cook, you can clean, you can eat, you can watch TV, hang out. Everything is so possible here. Countertops. Actually, it's a waterfall. I always keep saying it's a rainfall because my son's name is Rain. So, and so I always say rainfall, no, but it's a waterfall countertop. And oh my gosh, anyone who cooks, this is the Blue Star. A chef's dream. Look at this beauty. And I absolutely love this refrigerator. Every home should have a big refrigerator now. And I think it's one of the must-haves now, right? So look at how beautiful this is. The handles to the finishes and to the space. Talking about a lot of custom. And yes, more custom is coming along. So we have our, like I said, custom cabinets. And guess what this is? No, it's not a speaker. It's a microwave. And tell me how you're gonna open this. Woohoo! And look at this, look how smooth this is, okay? Isn't that nice? Once you have one of those, I don't know if they're gonna go back to the traditional microwave anymore. Yeah. And yet, let me show you guys what we did. We did our own custom pantry. Who wouldn't like that? Come on, let's come over here. So this area you can use as your bar area so that you can, you know, entertain your family and friends. And look at this, your custom pantry. Look at this. How beautiful this is, you guys. Beautiful, beautiful custom pantry. Already organized just for you. Let's go. Gas fireplace. This house is on gas. We have gas everywhere. And look how gorgeous that is. You don't have to turn on the heat if you have a fireplace like this. But you know what though? We do have cooling and heating system in every single area of this room. And the beauty of it is that because we have a top level and also a bottom level, we have 2 units that will heat or cool the top and heat and cool the bottom differently. And so, you know, a lot of times people, I guess like if you're on one unit, if you're on cooling, everyone has to be on cooling. If you're on heating, everyone has to be on heating. But in this case, you can be on different temperatures, heating or cooling. So isn't that absolutely amazing? Yes, it is. Hello, welcome to the office. This is one of my favorite rooms, and I absolutely love the arch window in this room. I don't have to tell you how beautiful it is. You see it yourself. So you know this home is really big, right? Did I not tell you it's 3,750 square feet? Yes, and it has 5 bedrooms. So guess what room I'm gonna be in next? It's the bedroom right here. All right, you guys, so here is a very good, long, big size bedroom for anyone. But the special thing is it has its own reading nook. And the sun always sets over here and it's super gorgeous to see that. And so as you guys can see, and welcome to the master bedroom. So look at this, you guys. I don't have to say much. It's a master bedroom. This is the most important part of the house, almost, just as much as the kitchen. But oh my gosh, this is where we spend a lot of your time in, right? And it's super gorgeous with its own walk-in closet. And you know what? You have to see this for yourself. It's just so gorgeous. Let's come into the master bathroom. Oh yeah, look at this. Frameless glass shower. All the tiles are customly done, beautifully picked and designed. His and her rainfall shower. You got your handheld, and you know what? It's huge. It's huge. It can fit a whole entire family here. Wow, I would absolutely love this in every single room. Almost a must-have for me. Just get out of here. Whoa. So look at this double his and hers vanity. So let me tell you about this marble. It's actually not quartz, it's not granite, it's marble. So take care of it. Anything expensive, you gotta put some TLC into it and make sure that you take care of it, right? You know, with marble, there's only one, there's no two. One of a kind. And so it's nature's best, right? Stone. All right, you guys, let's go to see the other rooms. It's super exciting. Okay, you guys, so this is the 3rd bedroom on the top floor, and oh my, it is this beauty in itself because this room has the most natural lighting in the house. And check it out, and you know what? It has its own bathroom. There you go. Same marble countertops and custom tiles. So yes, this is the downstairs of this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous modern farmhouse home. Again, the open concept in our entertainment area. And so right now we have this as the entertainment, wine and dine area, but you can easily turn this into a second kitchen for your mother or your father, or just as a rental on the bottom if you don't need all that space. We have a wine cooler here, a wine refrigerator, all for you, as well as the beautiful marble countertops like we discussed, one of a kind. And there's just so much space. I mean, I don't know what you're gonna do with it, but I'm sure you'll find something to do with it. We also have the gas fireplace right over there, as well as your living room, dining, and my favorite spot. You guys know what it is? The mudroom. Yes, the mudroom. So I want to show you the mudroom because I absolutely love it and it's super gorgeous. Totally Pinterest. So let's go over here and check it out. Okay guys, this is the mudroom. Okay, you got your separate entrance, right? And then you got your hooks for your jackets, your whatever it may be. You put your boots here. You know, kids or adults can just sit here and take off their shoes and just hang out. Have you ever had one of those days where you want to go outside, like the heat wave we recently just had? You wanted to play in the water. You wanted to get, everyone's dirty. So you come in here and you take off your clothes, take off your shoes, you clean yourself up and go into the house, right? This is such a perfect area. Oh, I just love this area. If I were to build a house, every house would have a mudroom. In here, we have a separate laundry room. And I don't think I showed you the other large laundry room yet. There's another one on the other side, yeah. Just for the upstairs, right? And then it also has a sink and all that stuff in here too. So anything that you need to do laundry, it's in there, and storage. And then you have your bathroom down here. Look at how gorgeous it is, you guys. And then you have your two bedrooms right next to each other. Big bedrooms with walk-in closets itself, right? So with all of my home and interiors, we staged it as one office and one bedroom. And so, but with you, it could be any kind of room that you want. It could be a workout room, work room, office, kids room, whatever room, guest room, all to your imagination. All these rooms for you to have fun with, all right? So thank you so much for touring this home with me. I hope you get a chance to tour this home. I will be hosting an open house, and it is definitely a home that you must see. Even if you're not gonna buy it, you must see it because there's only one of a kind home like this. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see everyone at our modern farmhouse on 12609 Southeast 60th Street, Bellevue, Washington 98006. Thank you so much. Bye.